Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can upload pictures and other images and other files as well onto your Squarespace site. So let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, currently I'm on my main page, and what we're going to be doing is we're going to be going over to the assets section. And over here, this is where you can upload your files. Now, as you can see, I already have some files uploaded. And what you can do here is you can click on upload in the top right, which will open up a folder, or rather your own file explorer, which will then allow you to upload whichever photo you would like. Now, you can do that, or you can do it in a couple of different ways. You can also go into your pages. And if you want to go to, for example, let me just go into a blank page. If I have one, let me just go here. I hope that this is blank. Well, it isn't, but I can work with this. If you have a blank page, let me just delete this script. You can very easily just add a block to a section, which is the image block. And here you can click on the plus or on the edit button and then upload. And here you can click upload file, and then from here you can select your files as well. You can also go and select from library and browse the free images that you have on Squarespace itself. But that is pretty much all that you need to do and all that you need to know. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.